What's up everybody, Sami here. Today I'm going to introduce the Insta360 X2. At the same time, they send me lots of accessories in the box, which I really like. This is the selfie stick, the lens cap, and the motorcycle mount. That's perfect because I shoot a lot of e-bike videos. Right? Also, what? Another stick. Wow, I couldn't be happier. Yeah, that's the camera. It looks like much more rugged and, you know, has better build quality if you compare to the first generation, right? I just cannot wait to test it. Type-C cable, and then the pouch. This is very, very important. And, you know, I lost my first generation pouch, so I have to find another one. And this one are not that, you know, matched. Always, you know, put to the couch to protect the lens, because repair the lens is costly. A chunky manual. What is this? This is the cloth to wipe your lens, and the sticker. Okay, nothing. And then we have this invisible extended edition self stick. Ooh, wow, this is so big. What else we got? Got a manual. I only have that small one for the first generation, and it's magically invisible. That's crazy, you know. Well, that's super now. Jeez. Okay, can I show you? Like, you think it's over? You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Maximum length is, that's 3 meters. Yes, they have a smaller one, you know. That's basically the same as the first generation. Then we open the lens cap. If you think the bag is too much, you just use this, just like that, to wear it, you know. Finally, we have the motorcycle mount. To be honest, I've been looking for this for so long time. Okay. Motorcycle bundle. You got a double ball mount, a heavy duty claw mount, 3M adhesive by 4. Wow, a little bit messy, but that's all the stuff from Insta360 X2. I'll put link in the description, and wow, I'm amazed. I mean, if you want to step up your production, get one of this, and you will have a different view and different style, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna do a lot of cool videos with it. Right now, that's for this video. I'm Sami. I will see you in the next one. Geez, this feels definitely well made. You see. Definitely well made.